Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last video we talked about the 50-30-20 rule. If you missed it, I'll link it here. Quick recap, 50% of your budget goes to your needs, 30% to your wants, and 20% to your savings. That's a great first step for anyone starting their financial journey, but the next step is to invest those savings. Saving alone won't make you wealthy. Investing is what grows your money. So how to invest? You start with a brokerage account. Apps like Webull, Robinhood, Vanguard, Fidelity, and many others make it easy to buy stocks, buy index funds, or ETFs. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, often recommends index funds. Why? Because they let you own small slices of hundreds of companies at once. For example, the S&P 500 index has returned about 9 to 10% annually on average over the long run. And if you reinvest the dividends, your money compounds even faster. That's real power for investing, compounding interest. It's the magic that can either build your wealth or, if you ignore it, leave you behind. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the next video where we break down compounding interest. You'll end up knowing more than 90% of people about how wealth really works.